Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Omnistudio Salesforce. Omnistudio is a powerful suite of tools designed to build engaging, guided customer experiences directly within Salesforce. It empowers users to create dynamic interactions and automate complex processes with a low-code approach. This platform significantly enhances the standard Salesforce capabilities, allowing for more efficient and personalized customer service and sales workflows. It's all about making interactions smoother and more intuitive for everyone involved. Omnistudio comprises several core components. Data raptors are essential for handling data, allowing you to extract, transform, and load information efficiently. Integration procedures orchestrate complex data operations, including calling external services. Flex cards provide a flexible way to display contextual data and actions, offering a 36-degree view. Finally, Omni scripts guide users through multi-step processes, ensuring a smooth and intuitive experience from start to finish. To build a guided experience, you typically start by defining your data needs with data raptors and orchestrating any integrations using integration procedures. Next, you design flex cards to present key information and actions to the user in a clear, concise manner. Then, you construct Omni scripts, which act as the user interface, guiding them through each step of a process. The platform's intuitive drag-and-drop interface allows for rapid development and iteration, making complex builds much simpler. Omnistudio offers significant benefits, including reduced development time due to its low-code nature, often cutting project timelines by 25% or more. It also greatly enhances the user experience by providing clear, guided interactions. For best practices, always use clear and consistent naming conventions for all your components. Thoroughly test each data raptor, integration procedure, FlexCard, and Omni script individually, and as a complete flow before deployment to ensure optimal performance and accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.